Hi, this is Nicole with Raspberry Moon Skin Therapy. Today we're going to be going over the Retinaldehyde Serum with Iconic A from SkinScript. Now this is going to be our queen of pro-aging for in the evening. So we're going to use this maybe starting out once or twice a week for those with more sensitive skin, every other night for those with normal skin, and then you can gradually increase from there. If you have sensitive skin and only stay on 1 or 2 times a week, that is perfectly fine. Very important, make sure you shake the jar really well before applying. You're going to take approximately start with one, maybe, well, I probably have about 2 pumps on here. That's gonna do down my neck and across my décolleté. Okay, so it has a little bit of a yellow color. So this is going to work to brighten and tone the skin. It's a great antioxidant. So the Iconic A, so that's our retinaldehyde. It's a type of vitamin A, so it's a little bit more gentle than some. And you're just going to work on manipulating that around, making sure we're hitting those lines there on our lips. I don't know about you, but I always have one right there. It drives me crazy. Anyhow, so we have that Iconic A, which is going to be great for smoothing out the skin. It's going to help soften those cells and just create an all-over smoother appearance. It has niacinamide in it, which 5%, which is from our vitamin B. And that's going to work as our anti-inflammatory. And it's basically working to take out the trash, so it's helping cleaning out those cells, so we just have a cleaner, smoother surface. It has sim white in it, which is actually from the pine tree, and it works as a skin brightener and an antioxidant. And then we have our lovely bisbala in it, which is our anti-inflammatory, it's antioxidant, it's wound healing, it's going to help with sensitivity, it helps to soothe the skin. So again, use a couple of times a week depending on your sensitivity level. Remember though, very important, if you are doing waxing or having facials done, you want to stop using your retinaldehyde about a week before your treatment. And so again, you're going to cleanse, tone. If you need a serum like your ageless serum, or you can even add your vitamin C serum in there if you would like as well, then you'll use your retinaldehyde. And then you'll add your night moisturizer, and then make sure we get our 8 hours of Z's, maybe do a little bit of yoga nidra at the end of the night. That would be something that's gonna help calm your mind so you get plenty hours of sleep, which also helps to refresh the skin. Thank you very much. Until we connect, create a beautiful day.